every day I'm in VR, I make a folder from that day, and I make a few clips of me dancing. And I also, as some other here, do content creation. I rewatch myself, I see, oh, there I did something cool in my freestyle dancing. I need to do that more. I would never ever remember that move if I was dancing at a club and I didn't record it. I see it in the mirror, yes, but how many things do you remember what you ate or what you did a few days ago? Nothing. But if you rewatch it, So that's my, like out to the freestyling. To become better at freestyling, you need to see how you look yourself from the outside. And Running Man, the most basic one, when I ask you to do it, have you seen the 3 mistakes that are on the Discord? Yeah, you're doing mistake number 1, running in space. Yeah. That's not Running Man, it's stomp, up, stomp. And it's so boring, and that's why many people jump off and stop